Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and buy NVIDIA stock on CapTrader. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official CapTrader website if you have not already by going to captrader.com right here, from where we can get started. If you're using it on your mobile phone, you can just go ahead and download the application from the App Store and install it, because the process is going to go exactly the same. Doesn't matter if you're using your mobile phone or the web version. So first thing you want to do is to go ahead and log in. So basically you're going to open an account. If you do not already have one, you have the open an account option right here that's going to enable you to go and select what kind of account you want. And once you've gotten your account ready, you can go and log in. After logging in, this is going to be the home page, from where we can get started accessing the prices section right here in the counter trade option. That's going to enable us to access the stock section. So once you logged in, you're going to see the stock section for trading, from where we can get started finding the NVIDIA section. Here we have the options on NVIDIA. This is this article on CapTrader that's going to enable you show you step by step on how to get started with following the charts on CapTrader, how to go ahead and access your buy options, and so on, and the introduction into NVIDIA. So what I suggest for you to do is go to this article right here to take a look at all your options on NVIDIA, and once you're ready, you can get started contacting the help center, explain to them that you want to buy NVIDIA stock, and they're going to walk you through step by step through the rest of the process. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.